Good morning, students. In science, we are starting new block, that is block 24, space research. In that, we are going to discuss LP1, that is features of the moon. The aim of the LP1 to identify the features of the moon. So you know, students, what is moon? Moon is a natural satellite which revolves around the earth. This much we know, right? So today we will discuss about the features, right? What are the features of the moon, what it has actually. These all things we will come to know today. So students, in ancient times, what happened, people used to tell the stories about the moon. Among that, one old story from the China is three fairies like this. They change into the three men, and they go for the begging, right? From a rabbit they begged for the food, right? But at that time the rabbit doesn't have any food. So what it had done, it jumped into the fire like this, okay, and offer himself to those three men to eat, right? So by this, these three fairies are so pleased with his sacrifice, and they allowed him to live in the moon palace, right? This on this moon palace, they allow these three fairies, they allowed him, the rabbit, to live, right, from his sacrifice. So this is a small story that the grandpa or grandma used to tell to the small children about the moon, right? So do you think, student, it is a true story? Why do you think the people in olden days make up these stories about the moon? Do you have any idea, right, what these stories will tell? So actually what the we people, we don't know about the moon, what is actually moon. And people from the past only saw the moon from the earth, right? And they were very curious to know about the way it look, and day by day it change its shape, right or not? The moon changes its shape daily. So therefore what they done, they, when the small children like you, they ask what is this one, why it is changing, one day it will be round shape, one day it is semicircle, why it appears like this in the sky, what is that? If you ask the grandpa or grandma, they used to tell like this stories, right? So students, today we will learn the features, right? What is actually the moon, right? Today we will find out the features of the moon's surface, right? So students, here you can see the moon, right? This is a moon which is a earth satellite. The surface of the moon, you can see that it has so many craters, right? Craters means like these holes, so many big holes you can see. The moon surface has craters, right? Mountains, valleys, like this, okay. And the temperature in this, it is very high at the daytime, and very cold or low temperature during the night time. This is about the temperature, okay. And the surface of the moon doesn't have any air or water, okay. How we earth, we have the air and water. On the moon there is no air and water. It is high temperature at the day, in the daytime, and low temperature at the night time. There is no life on the moon. The moon, how it look like, it looks like a round shape, right? Round glowing ball. From the earth we can see it is like this shape, right? It is almost how much size? It is 1/4 of the size of the, when we compare it to the earth, it is 1/4 size of the earth. It has craters, mountains and valleys. And you know, it has 2 inches of dust, okay. The dust is probably very soft, like powder, you know, face talcum powder which we apply on the face, like this soil is there on the moon. Here you can see some of the pictures. On the, if we are on the moon, then earth will be like this, okay. So like this, these are the pictures of the moon. So students, how do you know these things about the moon? How we come to know about this all means, we learned about the moon from the photograph, right? We took the photograph of the moon from the satellites, right? We sent the satellites on the moon which revolves around the moon, and it takes the photograph and it sent through this to us, right? And you know, so many people also went on the moon, and people are very curious. Why they went, ma? Because people are very curious and want to learn about the things. If we saw the moon, is anybody are there? Are the human beings are there? So we want to know about the moon, so that people went on the moon. Okay, and the surface is different. If you compare the surface of the moon to the surface of the sun, can you tell the difference? Of course, the sun surface, it is very hot, right? The temperature, the surface of the sun is very hot, and sun is made up of made up of gases which keep burning all the time. So the extreme heat of the sun, right, the extreme heat of the sun doesn't allow any people near to that. Even if we send any satellite or spacecraft near the sun, it will burn. It unable to go near to the sun also. Do you know, student, even though we cannot look directly to the sun with our naked eye. Okay, directly we can't see to the sun. If we see directly, then our eyes will be affected, right? That much it is have very hot. It has very, those rays are very harmful to our eyes also if we see through our naked eye. Okay, don't try that one. So now all of you open your page number 38, volume 3, S1. Write today's date, student. So first question is, imagine that you are astronaut and visiting a school. Write a speech of about 10 sentences to arouse student interest. So if example, one astronaut came to the school, like you think that you are an astronaut. Now you have to write the speech, right? You have to tell some of the interest things about the moon. You went to the moon and what you saw. Just we discussed now, na? What are the main features of the moon, that you can write. That you have to tell to this 5th grade students, right? Say next one, how is this surface of the moon different from the surface of the earth? So you know very well what is present on the earth, how the surface of the earth is. Now you compare to the moon and write the second answer. Here we have completed LP1. Now we will go through with LP2.